Welcome to West Melbourne. This is Karina Danager with Keller Williams, and I'm coming to you live today from this adorable neighborhood right off of Hollywood and Eber Road on Alaqua Way. And I cannot show you what I have coming for you, but let me take a quick moment and span it around. It is a little gray today. We're trying to beat the rain. The photographer was here a little bit ago. We are in the lovely West Melbourne. West Melbourne has spectacular schools. You are a hop, skip, and a jump from Melbourne Airport. You're 45 minutes from Orlando. You have multiple accesses to 95, shopping, the beaches. We are right in the heart of everything. This adorable pool home is coming on the market tomorrow. As soon as I get my hands on those photos, I will be listing this live, and I cannot wait. This home is so cute and so spacious. Wait till we hear all about the Harry Potter closet, because you can hide your kids there and never even know that they're in there. It's very deep. But check out this cute foyer. Beautiful lighting, gorgeous lighting, nice access to the left into the kitchen. You have a nice entryway, really pretty foyer. I love what Adams was the builder. I love what they did. They gave you a nice entryway, but they did not take up the floor space. When you first walk in, over here is the access to the garage. Then you have a nice sweet half bath coming in. So you have a half bath off the garage on the other side of the kitchen. We're gonna swing on over and take a look at this adorable kitchen. Nice window treatments, a ceiling fan over here. You can definitely put a kitchen table on this side if you wanted a kitchen table. Beautiful granite countertops. I love this open kitchen. This floor plan is one of my more favorite kitchen floor plans that we have. It's very open and spacious. You can have multiple people in here at one time, which is so nice. You have the stainless steel appliances. The house was built in 2012, and they did a really nice job. Over here is your dining room, right off the kitchen. So you can have the dining room. If you need the eat-in kitchen table, you have it again back there so you can see the view. You also have the countertop for if the kids want to have cereal, you're having your morning coffee with the paper. And I love this because look how open this is. Here is your family room. You have a gas fireplace in the corner. I love how it's angled over there. So it's a focal point, but not in the way, which is great. The master bedroom, which we'll be coming back to later, is right back there. So you have the master on the first floor. And I'm going to give you a little sneak peek, but we're going to come back to this in a few minutes. Here is the outdoor pool Oasis that we will be coming back to, but we're coming back there in a few minutes. Let's haul upstairs, because if you are looking for a spacious home, this one is it. Behind that door is one of the largest closets I have seen that are behind the stairs. It not only goes long, it wraps around the side, so you have plenty of storage. The kids here actually turned it into a playroom. It is so big, and the ceiling's pretty high in there. So now that we're at the top, check out this loft. Oh my goodness. The cabinets, the bookshelves convey, they are attached. They have nice lighting. You have a ceiling fan. If you're looking for a game room, extra storage, check out this walk-in closet. It is a huge walk-in closet going on up here in the loft. You could put a pool table up here. You could do couches, video gaming, a bar, so much you could do up here. Okay, so now let's go to the next bedroom. All the closets are nice and deep. You have nice ceiling fans, great windows, great lighting. You have the Jack and Jill bathroom. So here you go. Double sinks, nice cabinetry. The private door, you know how I feel about this. I like the private door. So someone can be using the shower or the toilet, and someone else could be in here, especially if you have kids, be brushing their teeth and getting them to bed. This bedroom is slightly bigger, and it is also with ceiling fan, nice lighting, nice look. You have a view of a palm tree out your window. It doesn't get any better than that. Florida living at its finest. Now, as we come around the corner, you're going to see a very spacious laundry room. She's got big washer and dryer in here. Nice lighting. I love that the washer and dryer are upstairs, so the kids can get their laundry in the washer and not sitting on the floor. You have another full bath here. So a single sink, nice deep tub shower combination right here. And then as we go down the hallway, we have 2 more bedrooms. So you have a nice ceiling fan, very spacious bedroom. This bedroom overlooks out to the driveway. Nice big closet, double door walk-in. And then as we swing through, we're gonna go over here and you have one last bedroom with ceiling fan and great space. Again, with the double doors right there. So very, very, very spacious up here. Plenty of room if you have a bigger family or you need just space to spread out. This house gives you all of that and so much more. But you know what we haven't seen yet? We have not seen the master bedroom or the master suite. So let's go take a look. I want to point out these beautiful hard floors. They're absolutely stunning. The baseboards have all been retouched up and painted. Very nice trim. And as we come in, I'm going to just take a pause and just pan around this master suite for a second. Nice high ceilings, beautiful fan. She's got some pretty big furniture in here. So you have plenty of room to put your furniture in here, plenty of furniture space. You have a private door out. I love these doors. These little single French doors with the built-in shade inside are actually quite pricey. So it's a very nice upgrade that they did. And it's just very sweet in here. Behind that door right there is the very large walk-in closet, which we are not going to go in right now. You need to come see the house if you want to see the walk-in closet. We have double sinks, granite countertops, beautiful cabinets, really nice lighting, really pretty. You have a garden tub, so sweet. I love her chandelier she did over the tub. Really very soft, sweet touches throughout. And then you have this very nice, I'll open it up for you, nice shower. So you have a good spacious, I know it's kind of hard to show on video, but trust me, this shower is very spacious. But now you know we're gonna go out to my favorite spot in the whole house, which is the backyard Oasis. And I can't wait to show you what they did for the flooring. The flooring out here is spectacular. What she did was they put down the wood ceramic tile in the actual hanging out area. How beautiful, and what a neat idea. I've not seen anyone do this before. What a neat idea. It's very Key Westy feel. I'm moving back a little bit so you get a better view of this. How adorable is this? It is so sweet. This is a pool home with nice lighting. She's got decorative lighting up top, decorative lighting in the pool. This is definitely a staycation kind of home. If you're looking for something where you can hang out and relax and not have to go anywhere when you're not going anywhere, this is the spot. And look how adorable this place is. So this home is going to be going on the market tomorrow, as long as I get my photos back from today. And well, guess what? I need a buyer. And this house really shouldn't sit on the market long because there are almost no pool homes in the MLS in West Melbourne. So if you're interested, pool homes are going like that. So don't wait. Call your realtor. If you don't have a realtor, call me and let's get you in this house before it's too late. This is Karina Daninger with Keller Williams. Have a great day, and I will see you on the next video.